Randomization controls A. Selection bias, B. Participant bias, C. Observer bias, D. Evaluation bias. Randomization is a technique used in experimental studies, especially randomized control trials, to ensure that each participant has an equal chance of being selected to any treatment group, either the study group, intervention group, or the control group. This process, randomization process, helps in controlling of selection bias, which occurs when there is a systematic difference between groups at the start of the study. So by controlling for selection bias, randomization ensures that any observed differences in outcome are likely due to intervention being studied and not because of some pre-existing difference between the groups, because we are eliminating the difference between the groups by doing a proper selection. So randomization actually controls the selection bias, which is the right answer.